There is a SAS of Campus Recruitment 2024 for the post is a developer associate. Let's see the job description of the developer associate. Work on a product backlogs items by the designing, developing and testing of the usable software in close collaboration with the product owner and the team. Then work on the problems of the relatively complex scope through the general usages of the standard programming concept and the principle and work on the continuous improvement and optimization of the software product. Then provide the high quality of the support to the SaaS customers by gaining the deep product expertise. Then resolve the customer incident and the internal incidents at the development support level. Then ensure the high quality of the code correction and the support packages. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is master's, then bachelor's degree in the engineering and technology with the excellent academic records. There is only one vacancy for this post is available, and last date for the application is 27 February 2024, and age limit between the 18 to 29. Stipend will be CTC up to the 8 LPA. There is a AECOM recruitment 2024 for the post is senior designer, which is related to water. Let's see the job description of the senior designer. Candidates should be the proficient enough handling the civil 3D softwares. Then candidates should have the experience working on a pressure pipe network and the gravity network in a civil 3D. Should be knowing preparation of the plan and a profile for the underground utilities. Then proficiency in AutoCAD and the civil 3D also. Then plan, coordinate and execute the work in a safe, timely, cost effective and the compliant manner. Then research and follow the jurisdictional requirements unique to each project. Review and the draft rough sketches, drawings, etc. as provided by the project engineer or a BIM manager. Then determine the scale and perform the mathematical calculations that require the knowledge of the geometry, algebra, trigonometry, fraction, percentage, ratios and the proportions. Then ability to adapt to the different cultures and the working environment to build the rapport with the customers. Then experience in using the written and the spoken English within a business environment. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is diploma in an appropriate engineering discipline from an accredited college and institute or the university. There is only one vacancy for this post is available, and last date for the application is the 27th February 2024, and age limit between the 18 to 27, and stipend will be given CTC up to the 6 LPA. There is a cornerstone recruitment drive for the post is associate software engineer. Let's see the job description of associate software engineer. Play a key role in development of the core feature of our enterprise SaaS product. Then responsible for the coding, unit testing, implementing and maintaining new and existing modules and applications. Then work collaboratively with the quality assurance engineer through the participation in the testing process. Then ensure the long-term architectural and the performance strategies are considered when the designing and the coding solutions. Then ensure the ongoing quality of the product and the customer satisfaction by helping to reduce the customer defects. Then provide the technical and the functional guidance to the team where the needed. Then collaborate within a project team to optimize the performance of the complex software system to troubleshoot and resolve the problems also. Then collaborate with the cloud operations, then customer support, quality assurance and other as needed. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is bachelor's or the master's in computer science or the related field. Then there is only one vacancy for this post is available, and last date for the application is 26 February 2024, and age limit between the 18 to 27. Stipend will be given a CTC up to the 20 LPA. There is a Strix AI recruitment 2024 hiring For the post is the front-end development. Let's see the job description of the front-end development. Work closely with the front-end development team to design and implement the user interfaces for the web applications. Write a clean, maintainable, and efficient code using the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. Ensure that user interface are the responsive and compatible with the various devices and the screen sizes. Then collaborate with the designer to implement the responsive and the visual appending layouts. Then test and optimize the web applications for the cross-browser compatibility to ensure a consistent user experience across the different browsers. Then collaborate with the UX UI designers to translate design mockups into the functional and the visually appending user interfaces. Provide the feedback and the suggestions to improving the design elements from a technical perspective. Then familiarity with the front-end frameworks and the libraries, and the ability to implement the features using these technologies. Then debug and troubleshoot front-end code to identify and fix issues promptly, and optimize the code for the performance and efficiency. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is academic background, BTech, BSc, BCA, or any related field in a computer science and information technology. There is only one vacancy is available for this post, and last date for application is 26 February 2024. Age limit between 18 to 26, and stipend will be a CTC up to 12 LPA. There is a Pixel Recruitment 2024 for the post is a front-end developer. Let's see the job description of the front-end developer. Web development. In this, design, develop, and implement the user interfaces for the website and the web applications using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then user interface design. In this, collaborate with the UX UI designers to translate the design mockups and the wireframes into the functional and responsive web pages. Then cross-browser compatibility. In this, ensure that the user interfaces work seamlessly across the different browsers and the devices, optimizing for a consistent user experience. Then responsive design. In this, implement the responsive design principles to create the web applications that are the accessible and the functional on our various devices and screen sizes. Then coding and the scripting. Write the clean, well documented, and efficient code in the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. Use the front-end frameworks libraries such as the React, Angular, or the Vue.js. Then testing and debugging. Conduct the through testing and the debugging of the front-end components to ensure the quality and the performance of the user interface. Then collaboration. Work closely with the back-end developers, designers, and other stakeholders to integrate the front-end components with the server-side logic and the databases. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. There is only one vacancy is available for this post, and last date for the application is 27th February 2024. Age limit between 18 to 26, and stipend will be CTC up to the 30 LPA. There is a ULU of campus type 2024 for the post is full stack engineer. Let's see the job description of a full stack engineer. Work closely with the development team to design, develop, test, and deploy the web applications. Collaborate with the backend developers to integrate front-end code and with the server-side logic. Develop user interfaces and ensure the responsiveness across the various devices and platforms. Then implement and maintain the APIs for the seamless communication between the front-end and back-end systems. Then participate in the code review and provide the constructive feedback to peers. Then troubleshoot and debug the technical issues as they arise. Then stay updated on the emerging technologies and the industry trends relevant to a full stack development. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is bachelor's degree or equivalent in an IT or CSE related discipline. There is only one vacancy is available for this post, and last date for the application is 28 February 2024, and age limit between 18 to 26. Stipend will be up to the 20,000 per month. There is a target of campus drive for the post is a data analyst. Let's see the job description of the data analyst. Data analysis. In this, collect, process and analyze the large set of the data to derive the actionable insights and support the data-driven decision making. Then reporting. In reporting, the create and maintain the reports, dashboards and the visualization using the tools such as the SQL, Excel, Tableau or the similar platform. Data cleaning and pre-processing. In this, ensure the data accuracy and the reliability by cleaning and the pre-processing raw data, addressing the missing values and the handling the outliers. Then database management. In this, work with the database to extract, transfer and load data, write the SQL queries to retrieve and manipulate the data. Then statistical analysis. In this, apply the statistical methods to identify the trends, the patterns and the correlations and within the data. Conduct the hypothesis testing and the regression analysis as needed. Then business intelligence. Collaborate with the business team to understand the analytical needs and provide the insights to drive the business strategies. Data governance. Adhere to the data governance policies and ensure the compliance with the data quality and the security standard. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is bachelor's degree, preferably in finance, IT or other analytical discipline or the equivalent experience. There is only one vacancy is available for this post, and last date for the application is 27 February 2024. There is age limit between 18 to 26 and stipend will be CTC up to the 13 LP. There is a SCCL recruitment 2024 for the post is technician apprentices in mechanical engineering. Let's see the job description of the technician apprentices in mechanical engineering. Assisting in the maintenance, technician apprentices in the mechanical engineering often assist the experienced technicians and engineers in the maintenance of mechanical equipment and machineries used in a coal mining operation. Troubleshooting and repairs. In this, they may be involved in troubleshooting mechanical issues, identifying the fault and performing the repairs on various equipment and such as the conveyor system, crushers, pumps and other machineries used in the mining process. Installation and the calibration. Technicians may participate in the installation of the new mechanical equipment, ensuring that it is properly calibrated and meet the safety and operational standards. Then regular inspections. In this, conducting the routine inspection of the mechanical system to identify the potential problems or area that require the preventive maintenance. Then collaboration. Collaborating with the other team members, engineers and the supervisors to ensure the smooth operation of the mechanical system and adherence to safety regulations. Then documentation. In this, maintaining the accurate records of the maintenance activities, repairs and the inspections. This may include the updating the equipment logs, work orders and other relevant documentations. The safety compliance. In this, adhering to safety protocols and guidelines to ensure a safe working environment. This includes using the personal protective equipment and following the safety procedures. Let's see the qualification is required for this post is candidates should possess the diploma degree relevant to the engineering, and there are the 50 vacancies are available for this post, and last date for the application is 27 February 2024. Age limit between 18 to 25 and stipend will be 1000 per month. There is a central level recruitment 2024 for the post is a senior technician. Let's see the job description for the senior technician. Technical maintenance. In the senior technician in the Indian Railways are typically responsible for the maintenance, repair and troubleshooting of the various mechanical or the electrical system within the railway infrastructure. This may include the rolling the stock, locomotive, signaling system or the railway equipment. Then supervision and the leadership. In this, senior technician often take on a supervisory role, overseeing the work of a team of the technicians or the junior staff. They may provide the guidance, training and support to ensure that maintenance tasks are carried out efficiently and in the compliance with the safety standards. Then troubleshooting and the repair. Senior technicians are expected to diagnose and address the complex technician issues. This involves identifying the fault, performing the repairs, and ensuring that the equipment is restored to optimal working condition. Then inspections and testing. Conducting the routine inspections and the testing procedure to ensure the proper functioning of the equipment. These include the adherence to the scheduled maintenance check and the compliance with the safety regulations. Then documentation. In this, maintain the accurate records of the maintenance activities, repairs and inspections. This documentation is crucial for the compliance, historical references and future planning. Then safety compliance, ensuring that all the maintenance activities are carried out in the accordance with the safety protocols and guidelines. This involves the promoting and the practicing in a safety first culture within the team. Let's see the qualification. Qualification required for this post is 10 pass or possess a relevant ITI certificate. And there are 25 vacancies are available for this post, and last date for the application is 29th February 2024 and age limit between 18 to 40. Stipend will be CTC up to the 6 LP.